In this video, you're about to see a little bit of everything. I kid you not. It went from a hair perfume, how to smell good, head to toe, all the way into a hair recommendation video. Roll the clip. Let's go. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back, besties. Today, you guys, I have a video request, and she is asking, I'm gonna put it up on the screen because I do not want to butcher your name, girlfriend. She says, can you do a video of your favorite hair mist? I have Delina, but was wondering what are your favorites? Thanks, girlfriend, I got you. I have 5 here, and of course, when you said favorite, I had to share Delina, of course, because that is one of my absolute favorites. So if you guys wanna hear my 5 hair mists that I absolutely love, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous dwelling. So if that sounds like something that you would be into or wanna become a part of, stop what you're doing. Drop in the comment section below. Let's help her out. What are your favorite hair mists? Leave it down in the comment section below. I want to hear from you. Also, if this seems like your vibe or your zhuzh, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button, but don't stop there. Tap the notification bell because I would hate for you to miss any video over here. And of course, if you truly want to become a bestie, go ahead and slide in the DM and come over and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we are jumping into this video dwelling right now. Hey besties, you guys, this is another. They've been happening frequently now, but I absolutely love them, if I were to be honest with you. Look, I told you to chill out. What is going on? You guys, I got my notes over here because I have Sephora pulled up because I have 2 other ones on my list that I want to share with you. So if I look over here, it's because I've got my iPad over here. But anyways, this is another impromptu video. This is a video request, and I wanted to just get it out rather sooner than later. So we're here, girl. We're here, guy. So listen. Delina, as she mentioned, is one of my absolute favorite hair mists because it's Delina. And if you know anything about me or the channel, or you've been here for a while, I love Delina. And if you do not, yes, I do. It comes out like this. It's in a pump kind of spray. It's very evenly distributed, very finely mist, and to be honest with you, it smells just like Delina. That's just what it smells like. Now, here's the thing. Some might be wondering, well, Cheraye, I have thousands of bottles of perfume. Why not just put my perfume on my hair? Well, I will say this. Perfume oftentimes have alcohol in it, sometimes water, sometimes just different things that doesn't necessarily always agree with the hair, or it's not good for the hair. And we all know that alcohol can be very drying for the hair. So I do like to get a hair perfume when I can. Now, I'm not going to tell you that I have not sprayed and done all this and done all that, and perfume has gotten in my hair. I'm sure it has many times. But when I'm typically taking a fragrance and putting it in my hair like this, I would like for it to be a hair perfume whenever you're going out or whenever you're cuddled and cuffing season. Hello, and somebody gets a whiff of your hair, or they happen to get close in a, comfortable situation and your hair smells good, it's just good. So I would highly recommend Perfumes de Mali, and this is Delina, and this is their hair mist. I move on. Another one that is my favorite. Now listen, this is not gonna be for everybody. I'm gonna tell you this right here, right now. This is gonna be for the acquired. This is Chanel No. 5, and this is their hair mist. It's beautiful. It does smell like Chanel No. 5. It's very light though. It's not as heavy. It's not as in your face as Chanel No. 5. The fragrance, gosh, it's good though. And it's a little lighter. It's a little bit sweeter. It's a little bit more softer. I would say a little bit more feminine, if you allow me to say that. I was set and told that this was a limited edition and yada, 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 you guys. She didn't have to say much for me to buy it, okay? It was Chanel Dwelling. It was Chanel. And I was like, oh my God, I have to have this Chanel No. 5 hair mist. And this is it here. Let me show you that up close. I wanted to focus. Okay, there we go. So that is it here, and I absolutely love it. And this is what the mister looks like. You could spray just a tad, or you could spray a lot. It has a long, continuous mist. And that is what I like about it. I will say this. It does smell like Chanel No. 5. It's not as in your face, but it's definitely giving us Chanel vibes. So this is not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but it's definitely my cup of coffee. I move on. Another one is by BDK, and this is Gris Charnel. All of these fragrance hair mists that I'm talking about, I have full dedicated reviews to the fragrance actually on my channel. So should you want more in-depth, a detailed review with notes and everything like that, go ahead and try that video and check that out. This one is Gris Charnel, and this is by BDK. This is their hair mist. Now this one is a little bit different. It comes out like that. Gosh, it's so good. It's sexy, but this doesn't really give me the same vibes. Oh, yes, it does. Girl, oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, okay, I might be wearing Gris Charnel tonight. I don't know. It smells so good. Girl, don't put everything in your hair. But yeah, you would just do it like that. These last in my hair like a pretty good time, a pretty good while, especially because that one time I had accidentally, well, I wasn't accidentally, but I was just spraying strychnina like crazy. I'll pop a picture. And this was in my hair even after you washed the hair. I was wearing the units, the wigs at that time. And my hairstylist was like, girl, like, I don't know what you put in your hair, but it's not coming out. That fragrance was in the hair, I kid you not, for at least 2 months. It just did not leave. So if you have not tried strychnina, I know this is a hair mist perfume video. However, I'm gonna plug strychnina because it came in, shut it down, did the do, and got the job done. But this here is Gris Charnel. This is by BDK. I do have a discount code with So Avant-Garde, so should you want to shop it and get 20% off, I will have it linked down in the description box below. Another one in that same realm, same category by BDK as well is this one here, and this is Rouge Smoking. So if you know anything about what Rouge Smoking smells like, that Dr. Pepper, you know, marshmallow, it smells kind of like Love Don't Be Shy. It's really, really good. Cherry, it's so sexy. It's kind of hot. It's kind of heavy. It's good. It's perfect for Netflixing and chilling. And if somebody happens to get caught up, it's good to get a nice whiff of, because it's like, let me show you how to smell good from head to toe. Head all the way down to toe. Okay, so this one here is BDK, and this is Rouge Smoking. Yeah, and it smells just like it. These smell just like the actual fragrance. Everything does. Okay, I move on. Another one that I would suggest and I would recommend is this one here, and this is by Baccarat Rouge 540. Yes, my favorite fragrances that I absolutely love. Tom Ford, I'm just waiting for you to make a hair oil. Maybe I don't know about it. If there's a hair oil out by Tom Ford, let me know. I want to pick it up. Only if it's Soleil Blanc though. That's the only one I'm checking for. But this one here is Baccarat Rouge, and this is 540, and this is the hair mist as well. It does smell like the fragrance. It is beautiful. I do have a 10% off discount code with Twisted Lily. So should you be interested in this, I will definitely link it in the description box below. If you're gonna pick it up, why not save 10%? It's really good. This does smell like the fragrance as well. That is the mister on it. I'm just spraying like crazy in here. Gosh, and it smells just like Baccarat Rouge 540. So if you wanted to pick something like this up, I would highly recommend it. Now I will say this, depending on what you're looking for, I don't like oily hair perfume oils in my hair, because you know when the hair gets oily, it gets weighs down and it just looks like a, what did my grandmother used to say, like a rag grease muffin or something like that, she used to call it. So I don't like that. You do want to get something that is more like, I don't know what the ingredients are in here. It's probably like water, blah, 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 whatever. But I do like the ones that are more like this. I do not like an oil. I like more of a spritz, more of a, you know, like a spray, but not like an oil. They do have perfume oils. Now, there is 2 at Sephora that I want to pick up. This next one that I'm talking about is a perfume oil. So say for instance, you know how we do our hair and we get done with it, and you know how you have the flyaways or what have you, and you want them to lay down and be, you know, under control. I typically use this spray from, oh my God, I'm about to make up the name. I'm gonna put a picture up because I don't know the name offhand, and it will lay them down. But I did go into Sephora and I picked up the Sol de Janeiro hair oil because it's so good and it smells just like Sol de Janeiro. I'll pop a picture up. I don't have a full bottle, I just have a sample. I put just a little bit, just a few drops in my hand, mix it all together like this, and then just rub it in so that the hair doesn't get too oily and greasy and weighed down. That is a really good one, and it smells amazing. It smells just like the Bum Bum cream. It smells just like the body oil, the body, the body scrub. It smells all of, you know, it smells like all of the products by Sol de Janeiro in that Bum Bum cream. Now, they do have a new one. I went in the other day. I think it was $44. I was like, oh my gosh, but I'm gonna pick it up. Don't judge me, pick somebody else, but I'm gonna pick it up. And then they have a new one in there. I was minding my own business, just walking through the store, and all of a sudden I turned around, and it's not called Gossip, you guys. It's not called Gossip. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna pop it right here. If you have this, if you've heard of this, if you picked it up, let me know. I wanna hear from you. I smelled it in store and it smelled really pretty, very like pretty girl-esque. It kind of smelled like honey. That was the only note that came to mind right when I smelled it, you know, initial spray. And this is it here. This is a picture of it, and it's really good. And I believe, I want to say it was like right under $50. And I was like, I'm not ready for that yet. Like, I don't know if I'm ready to spend, like, I don't know. I just didn't know because I hadn't really heard that much about it. I was just sampling it. And so I did spray it in my hair. And I was like, oh my gosh. Like, you know, when I got home and I kept, you know, smelling it, getting whiffs of it, I'm like, this is really good. So I possibly may be going back, picking that up. If I do, you know, I'm going to come back and share it with you. But yes, if you follow me on a vlog, I think I took you guys with me. I can't even remember at this point. But yeah, it was in there. I believe it's new to Sephora. I can't be completely honest. Check the description box for accuracy because you already know. There's a lot of things going on upstairs over here. Okay, so that is that. So those are the 5 fragrances, girlfriend, that I would recommend to you. I would also say pop in Sephora if you have one near you and check out those 2 that I did mention. I am going to link them for reference down in the description box. So if you should happen to pick them up or want to sample them, they will be there for your convenience. Thank you so much for your video request. I truly appreciate you. You guys, if you have any other videos or content or anything that you would like for me to do or see more of on the channel, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below. That way I can make sure that I am bringing you what you want to see. If you're shy, because I know some people are shy, I don't mind if you come over to Instagram and slide in the DM. Until next time, besties, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye. I feel like I was smiling so much. Oh my gosh, every time I wear a lip, I have to find out if I have lipstick on my teeth. Girl, do you have lipstick on your teeth? I don't. Oh, what is this hair giving? This is giving all kind of hair vibes. You know what? I don't like messy hair. I used to have my one aunt and she would be like, she would always come to me, you guys. Oh, sorry, I had to put the mirror down. Hello, I had to check to make sure the lipstick wasn't on the teeth. But anyways, a quick 2.5. This is after the video probably, but you know, it was a short video, so I feel I have some time to ramble. But anyways, she would come up to me like, cause I would have my hair flat, straight like this. Like I love my hair bone straight. It hasn't been bone straight in a minute. Well, it has been, but I've been working out, so then you sweat, it reverts in the roots, you know. You already know, okay? So anyways, I would always have my hair like bone straight, like flat to my face like this, like that. And she would come up to me after I had just got my hair done and she would do one of these numbers. Oh my God, your hair is so perfect. Mess it up a little bit. Excuse you? You like messy hair. I don't. Leave me in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys too. This is totally off subject, but it's kind of on subject because I'm talking about hair. I just want to hear from you. So, you know, the fragrance portion is over. If you have to go, I'll see you. Thanks for watching. Bye. But if you're able to stay around. Let's talk a bit. So here's the thing. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Oh, girl, fix your hair. I'm going to be honest with you. So I recently went and got my hair done. It just doesn't hit the same. And I'll tell you why. It's because, yes, you get it done Saturday and Sunday. I typically don't work out. I typically, you know, take those 2 days off. However, as soon as Monday comes, I'm going to the gym to get my workout in, right? And I just feel like this is such a waste of my time, okay? And money, but you have to look good. And I have the maintenance and the upkeep of the hair. I, you know, have to get my color every 4 weeks because I like my hair to be jet black. And it typically is jet black, but it looks like an off black. Like, I don't like off black. I'm like Jesus, be all or nothing, okay? Don't give me the half-baked stuff. So I like a jet black, and then sometimes my roots will grow in, and they're kind of like grays here and there, and I'm like, oh no, I'm not this. Now, I've been getting my hair dyed since I was 17 because I've had grays since I was 17. My grandmother always told me I was wise. I was like, I believe that. I kind of believe that. I do believe that. So I have always had grays, so, you know, I've always been getting my hair dyed. So I have to go in for the maintenance of getting it dyed. Then I have to go in for the maintenance of getting it straightened and flat ironed and washed and conditioned and the whole 9 yards. But only to come out and have it for like 2 days. And then I go back to the gym, okay? Because if I'm not in the gym and I'm not living my best life in my fitness element, I don't feel as confident as I know that I could, because that's a huge part of me. It's just like working out. It does something for my mental. It does something. It's more than just working out. It's more than just looking good. It's something for my life, my health, my strength. It's meditation for me. It's just like a way of thriving. It's the endorphins that release. It's just, oh God, I've missed it. And I'm so happy to be back. So I need the gym. I need it like nobody's business. And it has just been like everything for me. So I'm not, you know, trying to keep my hair done or save a hairstyle for, you know, and forego my workout. That's not what it's about. So I said all that. I told you I was gonna bring it back around. I said all that to say, I have seriously contemplated going back into a unit because I want to just be able to work out and not have to worry about my hair. That's one thing. I also thought about getting those cute braids. If I can find a picture, I'm gonna put it up. You know how the braids are like this and then they're kind of have those squirrely curls or something? I kind of thought those were cute. I really do. I don't know if I can sit still long enough for braids. I don't know how long they take. I used to wear braids way back in the day, but I don't know anymore. So that I was contemplating. And then I just thought about rocking a ponytail, but I am a glamour girl. A ponytail does not give me glamour. It does on the occasion. You know what I mean? I can do a slick back bun, put some dangling earrings on. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm the girl that wants the inches. I wanna be like, oh my God, do I like I am her, okay? You guys, I am what I am, I know what I am, and I'm good with it, okay? That's just what it is. So I do want the inches in. Now, when I get my extensions put in, I don't do a full, I don't leave a lot of hair out. I only leave like right this much out. But I will say this, I don't want to be putting heat even on that because the last time I did that, I don't know if you were here for that, my hair went from like here to here. It was called burnout and leave out, and that's what it was called. So I tried to tell myself, listen, that's why I went into the units to begin with. So I told myself, if you are not gonna be taking care of your hair and you're gonna be putting the heat on it, we're going back into a unit. But I wasn't confident in the units. This is a lot, huh? How does this turn into a hair video? I'm telling you how to smell good from head to toe. Anyways, so I told myself, and chime in, I wanna hear from you. Leave me all the stuff you've been through, all the stuff you're using, all the hacks and tricks that you've come across. I need to hear from the girls, okay? I need to hear from you. What are you doing? Guys too, if you curling and blow drying and flat, I don't know what guys are doing to their hair, okay? My guy is bald. He's cutting it, he's shaving it. Anyways, but yeah, guys have hair too. So if you're doing something special, let me know. So what I'm saying is that if you have any recommendations, leave it below. If you have any suggestions, leave it below. But yeah, I can't be burning out the hair. I can't, I just can't. And I just, the hair to me, hair and eyebrows and skin are everything. To me, they just, they set the caliber of the look. So I try and keep my skin on point, always, trying new skincare and, switching it out every 3 months is what I try and do, and try something new, and then I'll repeat and go back, and then always keep my eyebrows done because it frames your face, and then the hair needs to be done. As long as I have that, I'm okay. I always like to have makeup on, because I like makeup. I'm a girly. I love makeup, but I always like it to be an accessory and not a necessity. And I don't know how this video got here, but I'm about to end it because I've totally turned this into something different. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm gonna hang it up now. If you want to see more videos like this, because these are my impromptu videos. They are so fun to me because I just get to talk kind of like vlog style, and I have a blast with these. So if you like it, hit the like button, share it with a friend, leave it a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll see you besties in the next one. Until next time, you know how to, I can't even think of how to end the video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.